What's up, guys? It's your girl Shay, and I am back with another video. Actually, it's gonna be a prank. I don't know if you saw the video before this, but I went to Party City and I got some fake blood, which is upstairs. I should have brought it with me, but it's upstairs. And I was planning on doing a cooking video today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna act like I'm cooking, and I'm gonna act like I turned on the garbage disposal and that my hand got stuck down the garbage disposal, and it's just gonna be really crazy. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go upstairs and get everything set up, and then we'll get started. What's up, guys? This is Shay, and I am about to make Salisbury steak. So the first thing you want to do is cut up the onions. So let's start by doing that. First, let me get rid of this.
Hey, you know what? Hey, and I knew, I kind of had a feeling, but when I came here, I some good acting skills. Because you baited me, so I knew what you was playing.
Okay, guys, so pranked my husband. He is just so mellow that it's just, he's just mellow, y'all. He's not like me. I probably would have, if he would have pranked me like that, I probably would have just been like screaming, like, oh my God. But he's just so mellow and laid back and chill. So that's his reaction.
She got me a little bit towards the end. It was towards the end, but I don't know. You was quiet in there for a second, so.
Oh, you thought I was up to something because I was quiet?
It was too quiet in there. And when you said you was gonna be cooking, but I didn't hear anything, so I'm like, man, something's going on.
Well, I was cutting the onions. Dang.
You weren't cutting no onions. You was trying to prank me.
Okay, guys, so leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment, Team Shay, down in the comments if you want me to do more pranks. And leave some ideas on what kind of things that you guys want to see on our vlog. So we will see you guys in the next video.
Peace.